It's raining yet again, and this time calls for something warm and hugging. And you know what's popping in this season? Mushrooms! Yes, I have a lot of them in my fridge right now, so today we are making mushroom soup and, of course, from scratch. Today I have with me some its and bits of button mushroom and one with milky white mushroom. Milky white mushrooms or Cavoucaip indica is a variety of edible mushrooms native to India. They are generally huge in size if compared to any button mushroom and are very hardy in texture. They are white in color and hence the name. For the soup, I am chopping some garlics, green chillies and onions. And don't forget the stems of the mushroom, guys. They smell heavenly when tossed with some butter. Now in the pan goes some butter and let it melt a bit, and then add your garlic and chilies and wait for it to sizzle, and then add your onions and mushrooms and saute them for some time. And at this point I can just skip the whole soup and gobble this whole goodness up just like that, but let's stick to the original plan for now. Here I'm adding some chicken stock for the extra umami and milk for the extra richness. I also added some mixed seasonings along with salt and pepper and some frozen peas which I had left over in my fridge. Now stir and boil them. Lastly, add some corn slurry to thicken the soup and it's done. Oh, but wait, don't forget to add some coriander for the extra kick. And yes, now it's done. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed yet. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.